Hi YouTube! Today I'm going to be doing a pink makeup tutorial for my eyes, and I hope that you guys like this video, and if you do, give this video a thumbs up and let's jump right in. So I'm first going to do my eyebrows off camera with my Anastasia medium brown dip brow pomade. So I just did my eyebrows and also primed one of my eyes. And now I'm going to apply some tape to the side so that I can have a sharp line. Now I'm going to take my Sephora mini palette right here, and I'm going to take this very pink shade right here and put this in my crease and blend it out. And then I'm going to put this on my lid afterwards and then make it deeper with this brown shade. Now I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye. Alright, and now I'm going to apply my Maybelline Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner. Before I finish my eye makeup, which will be eyelashes and mascara, I'm going to put on my face makeup. The first step is to use a Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer, and I'm just going to put this in the areas that I have my pores in, most of my pores in. And now I'm going to apply my foundation, which is the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation in the color Creme Brulee. And now I'm going to apply my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Contour Concealer underneath my eyes. And now I'm going to set it with my Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. Now I'm going to bronze my face with my Lisa Frank Bitten and Bronzed Matte Bronzer. Now I'm going to take my Tarte blush in the color Feisty and apply this to my cheeks. Now lastly, I'm going to take my Anastasia Amrezy highlighter and apply this to my cheekbones. Alright, so I just put my eyelashes on, and this is what it looks like. And now the last step is to apply one more layer of mascara and also apply a pink shadow underneath the lower lash line. Alright, so next I'm going to apply the pink shadow that I first used to my lower lash line, which is called Hello Mickey, by the way. And now I'm just going to spray the face. And this look is done. Anyways, if you guys like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!